So besides work, you said that you spend your time in cycling. You also go to gym and you
Yeah.
try. So how important do you think is keeping your health up to the mark in today's world?
See, basically, if you ask me, health is most important in your today's world. My age is right now 49. I'm running 49 right now. Okay,
Hmm.
and I do regular 3.5 kilometer running, then a proper gymming, and
Hmm.
Saturday Sunday I usually go for cycling almost around about 20 kilometers per day. So that
Hmm.
is my Sunday health. It fit me. If one day if I'm not going to gym, I the whole day I'm feeling a dull. But when I go to gym and morning session, and specifically when I go to the gymming, I don't carry my mobile. So I'm
Hmm.
totally focusing on my health. So I'm not carry any kind of electronic devices with me, so that people can't disturb me at that particular time. And I personally don't want to disturb that particular time. So that is the one morning time where I have to spend in my that is my personal time. And evening time I like to spend my time with my family, friends. So usually I at the evening we have a clubhouse. Like I usually go to this clubhouse. We have a friends. We have some sit together, do some kind of a discussion. Not only technical discussion. It's a normal general discussion. Then spending time with family, with my wife, daughter, mom, dad. I like to myself a balance. Not only I'm not a workaholic, to be
Hmm.
honest. I love to work. When I'm on work, I will not pick up my wife call. But when I
Hmm.
am at home, I try to avoid the office calls. So this is the way
And
I manage myself.
that is great to hear that. So do you also watch movies with family and friends? Which is
Yes,
your
yes.
favorite?
Movie usually I love to watch a comedy movies. I don't want to like the comedy or action. I never like to go and see the serious movies. It's already our job in IT is already serious job. And
Hmm.
again go and watching a serious movie is quite difficult for me. So usually we go for movies. We go outing with family and friends. So usually we have a couple of friends with family. So usually we go together wherever we want to go, either movie, either go for the picnics, or spend some good time with family and friend. And
And
that is also important part of life.
do you read books?
Yes, yes. Usually I like to love Marathi books because I'm pure a Marathi guy. So I
Okay.
usually read some Marathi books.
So which one is your favorite book that you have read recently?
Yeah, actually, there are multiple books. Recently, I read called the book called Mrityunjay. It's basically the total story of Karna,
Okay.
great person in Mahabharata. So
Hmm.
I like his overall the attitude, his personality.
Hmm.
Okay. I recently read that book, but usually I like the character of great leader, Mr. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, then his son, Mr. The Chhatrapati Sambhaji. So all these things are basically I like to read such kind of books.
I understand. And who do you get inspired from? As in, who's your role model? Who do you look up?
Uh, Okay, the role model, if you ask me, there are two role models in my life. One is my previous boss from the ICSA Infotech. He's my mentor, or I can see he's a role model. Whenever I have a problem issues, I will just call up him and discuss about whatever. Another role model in the world, I like the Amitabh Bachchan, because in his life he has lot many ups and downs in his life. If anybody can go to read the biography of the Amitabh Bachchan, people can
Hmm.
find him. He has
Yeah.
one time he is a superstar, then he bring the company called ABCL, then he get down, then now he's again come back. Now he's why he's superstar, because all the lose his hopes. He's
Hmm.
always be in a focus. Yes, everything will be all right. Everything will be all right, and that is the reason I like the that is a basic role model for me. If you want to be a person, be person like Amitabh Bachchan.
Hmm. Right? His age would be above 70 and he's working really,
Yeah,
really hard. See, that is where people get the status that he has. It takes a lot out of you to get that particular status in your life.
yeah.
Which is your favorite travel
I
destination, Manish?
See, honestly, I love to go to my native, that is in Konkan. So I have my
Okay.
own house at Konkan. Okay, and Konkan is a wonderful area. I love to go there. A lot of people love to
Hmm.
go at Konkan area. So I'm from that area. So I whenever I get a
Hmm.
time or when I get a break, I usually go to that go to my place. I love to work, love to go all across the world. So we have traveled, but still, my first place will be my native Konkan. Go and relax,